What I personally like about graphic design is not just the ability to actually see my stuff out in the public space, but it's also, and this is going to sound like a total cliche, but I do genuinely get a sense of satisfaction from making something that's not just aesthetically pleasing, but it's also reflective of my creative abilities as a designer. I decided to join the Wedge program because while I've got several years in graphic design, I realized that in order to get where I wanted to go in my career, I needed that bit of credential behind my name. Because while it's good to have a killer portfolio and tons of work experience, it's still incredibly important, especially from like a hiring perspective, to have that educational background. The most valuable aspect of the Wedge program is just the fact that you can actually make these links with not just students and like-minded people and your professors, but you're actually going to be working with industry professionals in your local community. I think it goes without saying how important it is to actually make those connections with people, especially if you're just starting off. If you have absolutely no client base, you have no work experience, you're going to be coming out of this program with enough work experience and people that actually know who you are and understand what you're capable of. The design project that I'm most proud of would undoubtedly be the year-end showcase project. Not just because of the scale of it, but because it pushed me outside of my comfort zone. I've never actually had any experience as a project lead on anything before. And for this project, specifically, I was dealing with the design, the web aspect of it, the motion graphics, all sorts of aspects. And coming out of this program, it's like I can look at this actual project and say that, yes, I've actually grown as a designer. Like I am better off coming out of the program than I was coming in. And I can actually look to this project and use this as kind of like a symbol, a signifier of my growth as a graphic designer. And I just think like if you're going into a program like this, what else could you possibly ask for?